Hi everyone, City here. Today we have a double Frymaster fryer. Actually it's a double pot, but it's a triple pot because one pot is a split pot, as you can see. We started when we got this fryer, we wanted to clean it, and so we started to boil the pots. We started with this one, and as you can see, the stuff starts to come off easily on the heating elements, which is good. Then we came to the next part to clean it and to boil it. When we started the fryer, it started to ask for help. Then after a short moment, it started to show us probe on both sides in this computer. It starts to show probe, so we knew that the probe is damaged and it has to be changed. To be able to do so, we came here to the back of the fryer because it's located right here. For the split pots, each pot has split pot has its own probe, so both of them has to be changed. It's always easy. We took the back panels and the splash back panel off, so it's very easy to do the job. But to do the job, you will need a tool that you can buy online. We bought it. I can't remember. I have it for a long time. This helps to push the pins in this block terminal, and since we don't need this probe, it has to be changed. It's damaged anyway. We can cut these wires, so when we twist the probe, we don't damage anything. As I said, always to take the panels is always good. It's easy, but before to do so, we'll have to clean the hole where it goes in. It's always good to clean them like it should. Then we have our next or the new one. You just do like this, and don't put the pins yet, because as I said, it's always good to do it easily like this, and you don't put any. Always I will start it with my hands, so I don't damage the thread. See, it's tight, good. Now we will use our tool like this, as you can see, and we will twist, and then you push. You push or you pull the wire. Always you have to remember where you disconnected them. Then now it's time to push back the ones like this. And of course, don't forget to connect back your connectors. And this is how we did it. I hope you like this video. Please, if you like it, subscribe. If you have any comments, please leave them. And if you have anything to help us with, any information that you can share with us, we'll be happy to take any advice. Thank you for watching again, and stay greasy, and you have a good day.